Hello boys and girls, welcome to the video of chapter 5 for biology, and the title is It Runs in the Family. Each paragraph with the keywords, and the keywords are of course the important words, well actually what this paragraph is about. So at the left side you will see the English words and on the right side the translations. So inherited means geërfd, chromosomes is chromosoom. Genotype, genotype, karyotype, karyotype, inheritance, erfelijk, phenotype is phenotype. We also will start at each paragraph with the learning objectives. And this means these are the things that you, after you've seen this video, you should understand and know what these things are. So you will learn in this paragraph 5.1 what inherited means. You will learn what a genotype and a phenotype is. You will learn how a characteristic is inherited and expressed. You will learn about inheritance. You will learn what chromosomes are, and you will learn what karyotype is. First we start with inherited. Inherited is some characteristics that you get from your parents. These are some examples. For example, the way your hair is on your head with a widow peak or no peak, or if you have curly hair or straight hair. But also, of course, the colors of your hair or your eyes. But also some things that you cannot see. For example, maybe you have some talent to play the piano or some kind of diseases. These are also inherited. Your genotype is the complete set of all your inherited characteristics. So on your genes is some information. On your genes is sort of information, as I mentioned. It's sort of a code for some characteristics that are actually seen. So a phenotype is the set of your characteristics that are actually seen or expressed. If you have a look at these plants, for example, if you have identical plants with the same genes and you give some of these plants water and some of them no water or less, then you will get another phenotype. So the codes are the same, but the environmental circumstances can be different, so the phenotype can change. Also, if you dye your hair, if you have blonde hair and you dye this black, for example, then your phenotype will change, but your genes will not change. So inheritance is the genetic characters transmitted from parents to offspring, taken collectively. So this is sort of the study. It's a process that we're going to study more. So if you have black dogs and they will get puppies that are blonde, then and you study this is something that has everything to do with inheritance. Chromosomes are inside each cell. A cell has a nucleus, as you've learned earlier, and inside this nucleus are the chromosomes, and on these chromosomes is all the information that can be inherited. If you have a closer look at the chromosomes, these is built of DNA, and DNA is a molecule, a very large molecule, which is sort of curled up and then will make the chromosomes. In human cells, we have 46 chromosomes, and if you put them in order together, and not just randomly as in the nucleus, but if you put them together and make a photo, we call this a karyotype. Another example of a karyotype. And as you can see, they're all pairs together, because they are actually sort of the same. So how come that we have all these pairs together? Well, this is when fertilization took place. There was one egg cell which contains in the nucleus 23 chromosomes. And there was a sperm cell also with 23 chromosomes. And these together, we make 46 chromosomes. But these are pairs. So these zygote will contain of 46 chromosomes. And so you received 23 from your father and 23 from your mother, and these pairs together will make 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs. So then the organism that will grow out of this will have some information from the father and some information from the mother. This was the first paragraph, and now you should study paragraph 5.1 and complete the questions in your workbook 1 until 5. See you next time.